Everybody, we have so many more news stories to tell. So
New stories, you say? Hey, bargain bin John Williams. Give me some epic entrance music. You get me? I simply have to tell you that my friends that are singing are delectable. Meals are the finest always with fruits and vegetables.
what's up, Deadpool?
What? I'm not. What's a Deadpool? I'm just an average Disney Parks fan. Dole Whip, Broke Drunk, thank the Venetians. Por favor, mantengas alejado de los cuerpos. No? Fine, it's me. How did you see through my disguise?
It's kind of a gift that I have.
Okay, look here, Joshua. I know you've already said no 100 times. And I don't mean to sound like a broken Yeti, but I thought I'd take this one last chance to pitch my ideas for new stuff in the parks. Take a seat. Today, I'm gonna melt your mind like it's a beloved 40-foot animatronic dragon. Welcome to Destination Deadpool 75. Why 75, you ask? Because I have 75 slides of Disney Parks pitch goodness in store for you. Seriously, you should probably sit down.
There's no chair up here.
Isn't your title literally chairman? You know what? Behold! Page wine. Now that I've slid into your parks like an ill-advised midnight DM, I need more, and you need more of me. The possibilities are endless. Let's just brown sky for a bit.
No. It's blue sky. It's blue sky.
Not when I'm done with it. Wink. Picture this. The Chimichanga Chaser. A dueling coaster attraction where you are the beef. Now pay attention, because this next one is going to be a bigger hit than an expensive Spider-Man animatronic against a wall. Halloween coming up, Deadpool's Heck House this year. Keeping it clean for you, Disney. Enter the Hall of Baby Arms. And don't forget, I come as a package deal with Wolverine now. We got any Disney Marathon fans out there? Huh? I see you guys. Well, you let the princess run and the villains run. Now, you can get ready for Logan's Run. That's right, fun for the whole family. Except for Grandma and Grandpa. They're probably gonna hate it.
I appreciate whatever all this is, but the answer, Wade, no, not gonna happen.
Oh, come on!
You've already got a massive movie. I figured that'd be enough for you. But okay, how about this? We just talked about Epic Games a moment ago. What if I let you have like, a new skin?
It's behind me, isn't it? No spoilers. I want to see him in the game. Is he awesome looking? Does he have really good muscles? He's handsome, right? Tell me he's handsome.
Yeah, guess so.
Perfect. Then my work here is done. Hey, thanks again, buddy. You are killing it up here. Seriously, you are on fire. Like your dragon was. Twice. Some imagination, huh?
That was rough. Particularly the end there.
No. Sorry. Just can't do it, Josh. Can't do it. The Fortnite skin was not enough. I am like a Disney adult in a Loungefly store. Gimme! I need more.
No.
Fine. Look, if I can't have an attraction, can I at least have a moment here on stage? Please, por favor? It will give you time to go buy another typing sweater.
Fine. Scott, we better get out of here. Yo, we still can.
Okay. Let's go. I don't want any part of this.
You can do this, Deadpool. This is what all the stretching has been for. That and for when I run into that sweet John Stamos backstage. Maximum effort. It's time to summon my favorite, American Idol. Come forth, Abby, and sing. Sing like Lionel Richie's life depends on it. Because it totally does. Just kidding. Or am I?
Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels
Well, I bet you didn't expect us to close the show with Deadpool, did you?